Hi all, I am Pavithra from Happycoin. Today I am going to tell you about if you are looking for a job, then don't do these things. Number one, if you don't have a proper resume, then there is a huge chance that you don't get a job. Number two, and if you are selected for an interview and if you are going to attend the interview, make sure you will go on time or before the interview time. Number three, when you are attending the interview, you should be always going in a formal way. So that will definitely make a good impression. And number four, this is very important and most of the people miss this. Not prepared for the interview. Definitely you should be prepared for the interview and you should attend it. So these four questions definitely all the interviewers will ask you to judge your profile. So the question number one is introduction about yourself, and number two is strength and weaknesses of you, and then number three is why we should hire you, and number four is what do you know about our company. So most of the people fail to answer rightly for these questions. So make sure you will prepare for all these questions before you attend the interview. Definitely you will see a good result. Thank you very much.